My cousin, Jasmine, the annoying one, she's gonna go Godzilla.
No, I'm not.
Yes, she is.
Juanito, get the freak! You're gonna invent his plasma! Oh, ready? Get off of me, freaking monkey! Why are you on Club Penguin, Marissa?
Cause I want to.
Oh, did you just answer me like that? Huh? Huh?
I'm about to slap your face off, Jasmine.
What the freak? Did you just slap my butt?
Yeah.
I'm gonna spank your booty.
Your
Your stinky booty.
my
It's time to get out of Christian's room right now.
Okay. Okay.
Now.
Okay.
Luz.
Okay. You were on it 2 minutes. That's hilarious. You was only on it 2 minutes. Marissa. You were alive. You were You were Okay, let go my chonguito. Don't hold it hostage. You were all like I gotta go to the bathroom.